Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to turn off in-app browser on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Chat Settings. Scroll down. Under Settings section, toggle the button next to in-app browser to turn it off. Now go back to the home screen and open a chat containing an external link. If you click on the link, it will ask you to choose a browser to open that link. That means in-app browser is turned off. This is how you can turn off in-app browser on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.